Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sammy and today we will talk about how to install new font and new brush setting into Pixelmator Pro. Before we start, let's give me a like and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials every week. Thank you and let's get to the video.
Let's say you found a very beautiful handwriting font on Canva and you want to use it in Pixelmator Pro for future projects. We'll download this font from the fontfree.co, then open it with the font book app. Click install and let's check if it's ready. Now open the Pixelmator Pro, press T to bring up the type tool. Then go to the font menu and search for the font name. Here it is, along with all available styles. With this type of handwriting font, you can set ligatures to default, then reduce the character spacing so the letters connect naturally, giving you a more authentic handwriting look. So that's how you install a new font. How about a new brush? We'll have two options to do that. Method 1, the drag and drop way. The fastest way to install a new brush. Locate your downloaded brush, usually ends in dock brushes or dock ABR. Drag and drop the file directly onto the Pixelmator Pro application icon in your Mac's dock. And the brush or brush collection will instantly appear in your brushes panel. If you prefer to add them from within the application interface, there's a way. You select the Paint tool. Click the brush style bar, you will see a list of brushes. Go to the last brush type, you will see the ellipsis icon. Click on it and choose Import. Now locate your downloaded brush file and choose Import. From this panel, you can even duplicate the font set if you want to modify it and export it as a new brush set or remove it from the list.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment and I would love to answer all of that. Like and subscribe for more Pixelmator Pro tutorials every week. I'm Sammy and I'll see you in the next one.